Hey friends, welcome back. Today in this video we will know how to create subdomain for your website and host a WordPress website on that subdomain. So without wasting a single bit of time, let's start our video. So for creating subdomain, you should have a domain and you should have a website hosted on that domain. For now, I have this domain and have a WordPress website on that domain, and this is my domain. So we will create a subdomain for that and host a WordPress website. So click on manage. Here in sidebar you can see a domain option. Click on that and you will see a drop down. Click on subdomains. Here write your subdomain name. My domain name will be code.neocodenexus.com. If you want a custom folder for that subdomain, then you can create. Otherwise, click on create. Here you can see the subdomain is created successfully. Now we will host our WordPress website on that domain. So again, come to sidebar and click on website. Here you will find a auto installer option. Click on that. Here we have a WordPress website builder option. So for creating WordPress website, click on select. Here choose your website title, choose your password that will be used at the time of logged in to your subdomain website. Click on advanced. Here choose your subdomain, and if you want to give a subdirectory name, then you can give it from here. Here set a password for your database. Now click on next. Here you can choose your PHP version. Click on next. Here you can see some processes are going on. Let's wait for a while. Now here you can see the setup is successfully completed. Now let's visit our WordPress dashboard. So click on WordPress admin. It will land you to WordPress dashboard. Here just install a theme and start customizing your WordPress website. So if you don't know how to install any theme or edit any theme, then you can check out our playlist. Now let's end this video here. In further videos we will tell more about these tricks and tips. So if this video is helpful for you, then please do like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you guys. Thanks for watching.